Here I have Blackview BV6600, and today I'm going to show you how to enter factory mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn off your smartphone, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds, just like this. And you hold it for several seconds, and when you see that screen turns on and you can see Blackview logo appeared, you have to release power key and keep holding only volume down. Just like this. And that's how factory menu looks like. So here in the factory mode you can use volume down to navigate and volume up to select. And you have such options as board auto test, phone auto test, board single test item, phone single test item, proposed items, phone information, board test report, phone test report, proposed test report, reboot, and factory reset. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option reboot, and after that your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.